Who's ready to see a legendary beast reimagined as the ultimate off-road king? Welcome to USA Car Lovers, and today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Hilux GR Sport, a rugged truck with serious attitude and performance to match. Let's break it down from bumper to bumper. Starting with the front, Toyota means business. The bold hexagonal grille finished in matte black gives the truck that aggressive GR Series look, paired with sharp LED headlights that resemble eagle eyes and sleek, L-shaped daytime running lights. The Hilux looks ready to pounce. Now swing around to the rear. Toyota didn't hold back. The taillights use slick LED tech that flows into the body, giving it a modern and clean design. And that big embossed Toyota logo on the tailgate? It's a classic touch with a cool, confident vibe. But a bold design needs muscle to back it up, right? Under the hood, the 2026 Hilux GR Sport packs a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, pushing out 224 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and suspension, tuned by Toyota's GR division. This truck handles both rocky trails and highways with ease. Step inside, and it gets even better. The interior is a blend of sport and luxury. Premium leather seats with eye-catching orange stitching bring a race-inspired look. The steering wheel, leather-wrapped and branded with the GR logo, reminds you this isn't just any Hilux. 10-inch touchscreen takes center stage with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. Add in digital climate control, a premium audio system, and ambient lighting, and you've got an interior that feels more like a luxury SUV. Safety covered. Toyota packs in the Toyota Safety Sense suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision system, making this truck not just powerful, but smart and safe for long drives or weekend getaways. So what's the verdict? Bold looks, serious power, and next-level tech, the 2026 Hilux GR Sport is built to impress. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to USA Car Lovers, and don't forget to share this with your truck-loving crew. Thanks for watching, and as always, check out our playlist for more badass rides. Catch you in the next one!